Our session starts today. Today we shall be working on causative verbs. We shall be knowing something about causative verbs. What is causative verbs? I think you got something in the message box, isn't it? Verbs. And these causative verbs are had, got, made, and let. That means in present form have, get, make, and let. These four words and these four verbs are called causative verbs. In causative verbs, just listen to me. Try to listen to me, please. Then I will ask you some questions regarding that. You see, in causative verbs, subject is there, but subject does not work directly. Subject makes others to work for him or her, and that is called causative verbs. पॉजिटिव वर्ब में क्या होता है? जो ओनर है वो काम डायरेक्ट नहीं करता है, वो दूसरों से काम करवाता है। कुछ करवाना और करना दोनों में फर्क होता है। दैट इज द डिफरेंस, टू डू एंड टू मेक समवन डू, एंड दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन main verb and causative verb. You see, so I had my hair cut. I had my hair cut. You see, there is she did not cut her hair for of her own. She went to the saloon. Then she made the person who is in the saloon, that made that person to cut her hair, and that's why here is written, I had my hair cut. If she would done the work, if अगर वो अपना बाल कटवाती तो क्या होता, काटती तो what would happen? I cut my hair. It would be I cut my hair. मैंने मैंने क्या किया? मैंने अपना बाल कट किया। ठीक है, तो अगर मैंने if I have made someone to do this work, then I have to say I had my hair cut. मैंने अपना बाल कटवाया। कोई करवाना, किसी और से कोई भी काम करवाने को हम कॉजेटिव वर्ब कहते हैं। जो ओनर है वो दूसरों से काम करवाता है, खुद नहीं करता, तो दूसरों से काम करवाने को कहते हैं कॉजेटिव वर्ब। ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? हेलो, okay, now I will share my screen and I will let you know something more about that. In my screen is written, so let me share the screen. Can you see the screen here? Okay, thank you. So you can see here the basics. I did it. मैंने पहले भी कहा था, अगर मैं काटती अपने बालों को तो that is to be done, I cut my hair. And here is written, I had my hair cut, or you can say I got my hair cut. Got or had, anyone you can use there. I had my hair cut, that means मैंने अपने बाल कटवा लिए. I got my hair cut, मैंने अपने बाल कटवा लिए. That is the thing. So again you see the basics. I did it myself. I cut my hair. Someone else did it for me, and that would be, how to say that one, that sentence should be, I had my hair cut. I got my hair cut. Up to now, I think you understood, both of you. Hello? Yeah. So you see the basic means if the owner is working working, then I cut my hair. But if other person, anyone else is doing on the in the support of the owner or the subject, then it would be not like that. It would be something different. And I had my hair cut, I got my hair cut, and that is the second person. Someone else did it for me. That one is called causative verb. We have used here causative verb and made the sentence correct. Next, you see, what is the difference? I caused it to happen. I had my hair cut versus I got my hair cut. That means I went to the hair salon and I asked them to cut my hair, and that one is being done. That means what? I cut my hair. That means I had not to go in anywhere. I can do it at my home, no problem. But if I have to make my hair cut, I have to have my hair cut, then I have to go to the salon, and then someone else will be there to do this work for me, and that is called causative verb. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me after the sharing is being over. Now you see, next one, repair my car. Next question is repair my car. So it is, if I repair my car, then it is not a causative verb. If I did it myself, that means I repaired my car. That is, there is no causative verb. But in the second portion, you see, someone did it for me. And now, how to say that one in English? I got my car repaired, or I had my car repaired. You can use either got or had in terms of making someone to do work for you. Okay? Understood? Okay. Next one, again you see another example. Clean my apartment. So if I clean my apartment, then I will be writing, or I'll be saying like that, I cleaned my apartment. That means no one else done this work for me. I myself worked this work for me. But if I have not worked, I have not cleaned my apartment, I have made someone to do clean my apartment, then what would be done? You see, I got oblique, I had my apartment cleaned. So can you see the difference? Difference means I cleaned my apartment. That means I have worked for my apartment, and I got or I had my